Okay, this video is on how to make a microscope slide so that you can look at all of the perpetrators and suspect samples. Now you're going to be getting a note like this that was left by the perpetrator with food all over it, very messy eaters. And you have to take samples of that food and make a slide of them to put under the microscope. Now, very first thing you have to do, take out your slide and use your little stick here to get a sample. And the very first thing we do, we're going to reduce the volume down by putting it into one of these little tubes here and getting some water in with it, just to spread the cells out, because you see, if you have too many cells at once, you actually can't see the cells very well. So you need to put a sample of food in this little Eppendorf tube, half fill it with water, don't fully fill it. And clip it together and give it a little shake like that. Now that will make a suspension like this. Makes it a lot easier for us to put them on slides. Now if you're told for certain ones to add dyes to them, then you have to add a dye. The most common one will be iodine here, because if there is starch in that cell, then it will turn black. Just one drop, and again you clip it on, shake it, try not to throw it, and the next thing is you're going to have to make sure that you label it. Now I haven't got my pen here, but you will need to label what you think it is, or give it a number and put that same number on your slide. To make the slide, you then take one of these pipettes, just take a drop out of here. Now if it's not mixed up well, you can do this with your pipette to help mix it up a bit more. If it's not mixed up, some of them don't mix up very well with shaking. Take a little drop, close your lid here so it doesn't go everywhere, and put one drop on your slide, like that. Now when you get out a cover slip, be really careful because they stick hard, these boxes. Press in the white bit and gently pull that up so that you don't pull it up too fast and throw the cover slips everywhere. I've seen that happen before. Be very careful, they are fine. Try and put them down with as little oxygen or air as possible. I'm sorry for the background noise. There's your cover slip, and put it on your microscope. Now, the biggest setting you're going to be using is the yellow one. All of the photos will be taken on the yellow setting, nothing else. So get it in there and focus it. And most of you will have these things to attach to your microscopes like this, so that you can use your mobile phones as a camera. Now my mobile phone is being used right now to actually video this, but what you have to do is you put your microphone in, your mobile phone in there. Make sure the eye for the video feed is there. You can see through it. Stick it on there. You focus it, and then take a photo. And that's how you prepare a slide.